We humans are a curious bunch, always asking questions about our place in the universe. One question that has intrigued us for centuries is, are we still evolving? It's a question that has sparked countless debates and fueled our fascination with our own species. For billions of years, life on our planet has been shaped by a powerful force evolution. From single-celled organisms to complex creatures like ourselves, life has constantly adapted and changed to survive in ever-changing environments. But what about us? Have we, with our advanced technology and sophisticated societies, somehow escaped the relentless grip of evolution? The answer, my friends, is a resounding no. Evolution is not something that happened to us in the distant past. It's happening right now, all around us. At the heart of evolution lie two fundamental processes: natural selection and genetic mutations. Think of natural selection as a kind of cosmic editor, constantly reviewing the vast library of life and making subtle changes along the way. It's a process of trial and error where individuals with traits better suited to their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing on those advantageous traits to their offspring. Genetic mutations, on the other hand, are the source of these variations. These are random changes in our DNA, the blueprint of life, that can introduce new traits into a population. Most mutations are neutral, having little or no effect on an organism's survival. However, some mutations can be beneficial, providing an advantage in the struggle for existence. Imagine a population of moths living in a forest. Most of the moths are light-colored, blending in perfectly with the lichen-covered trees. However, a few moths carry a mutation that makes them darker. Over time, as the darker moths survive and reproduce, passing on their advantageous mutation, the population as a whole becomes darker. The evidence of human evolution is all around us, if we know where to look. Take, for example, our ability to digest milk as adults. This might seem like a mundane trait, but it's a relatively recent evolutionary adaptation. For most of human history, the ability to digest lactose, the sugar in milk, disappeared after infancy. However, with the advent of agriculture and the domestication of animals, milk became a readily available food source. This created a selective pressure that favored individuals who could digest lactose into adulthood. Today, about 35% of the world's population can digest lactose as adults, a testament to the power of natural selection. Scientists have identified numerous examples of recent human evolution, from changes in our immune systems to adaptations to high-altitude environments. Let's delve a bit deeper into the fascinating story of lactase persistence. Imagine our ancestors thousands of years ago, transitioning from a hunter-gatherer lifestyle to one based on agriculture. This shift brought about a significant change in their diet, with milk from domesticated animals becoming a new source of nutrition. However, there was a catch. Most adults, like their primate cousins, couldn't digest lactose, the sugar found in milk. But as with many things in evolution, chance played a role. Random mutations occurred in the human genome, and some of these mutations conferred the ability to produce lactase, the enzyme that breaks down lactose, throughout adulthood. These individuals, no longer plagued by digestive issues, could now enjoy the benefits of milk, a valuable source of calories, calcium, and other nutrients. In populations where dairy farming became prevalent, these individuals had a significant advantage. Over generations, this led to a higher frequency of lactase persistence in these populations. Today, the global distribution of lactase persistence reflects this evolutionary history. Section 5. Beyond the body, the evolution of culture and technology. Human evolution isn't just about changes in our biology, it's also about the evolution of our culture and technology. Culture, in its broadest sense, encompasses the shared knowledge, beliefs, customs, and achievements of a group of people. It's the software that runs on the hardware of our biology. And just like our biology, our culture is constantly evolving. Think about how much human culture has changed in the last few thousand years. From the invention of writing to the development of the internet, our cultural evolution has been nothing short of breathtaking. Technology, too, is a product of our evolving culture. From the first stone tools to the latest smartphones, our technological innovations have profoundly shaped our relationship with the world around us. This process of technological evolution is ongoing, with self-driving cars and electric vehicles poised to revolutionize transportation once again. Section 6. The Internet Age, a new era of human evolution. The invention of the internet and the subsequent rise of social media have ushered in an unprecedented era of interconnectedness. We now live in a world where information travels at the speed of light and where people from all corners of the globe can connect and interact with each other in real time. This digital revolution has had a profound impact on human culture and behavior. It has changed the way we communicate, the way we learn, and even the way we think. Some argue that the internet is driving a new era of human evolution, one where our cognitive abilities are being shaped by the demands of the digital world. The constant bombardment of information and the need to filter and process it quickly may be rewiring our brains, making us more adept at handling the complexities of the digital age. However, this digital revolution is not without its downsides. Section 7. The Ethical Frontier, CRISPR and the Future of Genetic Engineering. While natural selection and genetic mutations continue to shape our species, we are on the cusp of a new era in human evolution, one where we have the power to directly manipulate our own genetic code. Technologies like CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, have given us the ability to make precise changes to DNA, opening up a world of possibilities, but also raising profound ethical questions. With CRISPR, scientists can now target and modify specific genes, potentially correcting genetic defects, enhancing desirable traits, and even introducing entirely new genes into an organism. This technology holds immense promise for treating genetic diseases, developing new therapies, and even enhancing human capabilities. However, the ability to edit our own genetic code raises profound ethical concerns. Should we be tinkering with the very essence of life? What are the potential unintended consequences of genetic engineering? These are questions that society must grapple with as we venture into this uncharted territory. The ethical debate surrounding genetic engineering is complex and multifaceted. Section 8. The Red Planet Beckons. Will humans evolve on Mars? As we look to the future, the possibility of humans becoming a multi-planetary species is no longer the stuff of science fiction. With plans to establish a permanent human presence on Mars in the coming decades, the question arises, how will living on another planet affect human evolution? Mars, with its harsh environment, lower gravity, and different atmosphere, presents a unique set of challenges for human survival. If humans are to thrive on Mars, they will need to adapt to these new conditions, and these adaptations could lead to significant evolutionary changes over time. For example, the lower gravity on Mars could lead to changes in our bone density and muscle mass. The thinner atmosphere and higher radiation levels could favor individuals with more robust immune systems and DNA repair mechanisms. The journey to Mars and the challenges of living on another planet are likely to have a profound impact on our species, both physically and culturally. Section 9. The Unpredictable Path, the Future of Human Evolution. Predicting the future of human evolution is a bit like predicting the weather. We can make educated guesses based on current trends, but ultimately, the future is full of surprises. The forces that will shape our evolution in the centuries and millennia to come are complex and interconnected, making it difficult to foresee the path our species will take. However, one thing is certain. Human evolution is an ongoing process. As long as there is variation in our genes, as long as there are selective pressures acting on those variations, and as long as we continue to innovate and adapt to our changing world, our species will continue to evolve. Whether we are talking about biological adaptations to new environments, cultural innovations that reshape our societies, or technological advancements that redefine what it means to be human, the journey of human evolution is far from over. As we stand at the precipice of the future, we are presented with a profound opportunity. Section 10. Conclusion: a never-ending journey. So, are humans still evolving? The answer is a resounding yes. We are evolving biologically, culturally, and technologically. The pace of our evolution may have changed, but the process itself is ongoing, a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of life itself. As we continue to explore the mysteries of our own existence, we must remember that we are not the end product of evolution, but rather a work in progress.